Hello and welcome back to KM Webverse. This is Kashif Mahmood, and if you are facing this kind of error on your website where you see this site can't provide a secure connection and you are not able to access the website, in this video I will tell you how you can fix this type of error. There are actually several issues that can cause this problem, so let's work on them one by one. You can follow along with the video and tell me which one works for you. After watching this video, if you still face any issue, just comment down and I will help you out. First, I will tell you 3 things that you can do to troubleshoot this error. The very first thing is that you need to clear cache and cookies for this website from your browser. So for that, go to the 3 dots button and go to settings, and here you can type site settings, and here you will see this option. Just click on it, and here you can click on view permissions and data stored across sites. You can search for the website domain over here, and as you can see here, I don't have any data for now. If you see any data for the website, then you can just delete that. For now I am using a new browser, so that's why it is not showing any data over here. So let's close this. Now the next step is that you can copy this link and you can open incognito window by just clicking on this 3 dot button. Go to new incognito window and paste the link over here and try accessing your website, and you can see if it's working or not. So if this one does not work as well, then you can try on another device like your mobile phone and see if the website is working or not. So if your website does not work with all of these methods, then you will need to fix your website from your web hosting. So let's move forward to that. So here I am in my web hosting. Here you need to perform a few tasks as well. First of all, you need to see if you have an SSL certificate installed or not. So for that, you will have any security tab in your web hosting. By the way, I am using Bluehost, and if you are using any other web hosting, then your process can be a little bit different, but you can always contact your web hosting support and ask for the help. Like, you can ask them how you can manage your SSL and your web hosting. So let's go to the security, and here you can see I have the SSL certificate on. The reason I use Bluehost is because it's simple and everything is on your hands, and you can always contact Bluehost team anytime. So here you can see my SSL certificate is working fine, so you can confirm if your SSL certificate is activated or not from your web hosting. Here you can do different things in your SSL, like you can just uninstall it and you can install it again and see if it works fine or not. And you also need to check that your SSL certificate is working and is not expired. Like, you can see the expiry date over here, so you must renew your SSL certificate, otherwise these type of errors occur. Another reason that cause this error is that your web hosting storage is expired and you have not renewed it. That's the most common reason that a lot of users just don't renew their web hosting and then their website goes down. So make sure you have your web hosting renewed. For that, you can maybe go to home or just click on your profile button and go to order history, and you can see when you ordered and what plan you have purchased, like if it is an year term or just for a month. So in monthly case, you need to renew your web hosting monthly, and in yearly you need to renew it yearly. So here you can see that I purchased this web hosting with the SSL for $23 for the whole year. If you want to get that, you can also get it, and I will provide the link for that in the description. If this does not solve your issue, then you can contact the live chat support and you can ask them why this issue is occurring on your end, and you can tell them that you have the SSL in your plan and you have the renewed your web hosting plan is also active, and then why you are facing this kind of issue. So they will help you out and they will solve your issues. If you are using Bluehost, then they will definitely solve this issue for you. If you are using any other, then I don't have any idea about that. And if this still does not help you, then you can go to my website and you can contact me, or you can just comment on the video and I will help you with the solution. So this is my website kashifmehmood.com, and you can just click on this contact me button and you can fill out the form and you can contact me, so I will get back to you with the solution. So that's it for the video. If you like this video, don't forget to click on the like button and leave a comment and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.